You were taught
Yes.
to be obedient.
Yes.
You were taught to follow orders.
Yes.
You wasn't even taught that you had a brain.
Amen.
That's right.
They didn't even want you to think you could think on your own, so they
That's right.
stole your brain power from you.
Amen.
Then they said that you were lazy, unable to be educated.
Amen.
African American history has some very negative history.
Yes, they do.
That's right.
But out of that negative history became some positive people.
Yes, yes, yes.
So you realize that we are a people of God because only God could have sustained us through the trials and the tribulations, the pain and suffering that we endured.
Amen. Amen.
If only we could get that message to our young people.
Amen. Amen.
If only we could remind ourselves
Jesus. Yes.
of the journey that has been endured over the years. I often ask young people, have you voted? Have you registered to vote yet?
Amen.
And some vote for why? Because the blood that was shed for you.
That's right.
To be able to vote.
That's right.
There was a time they would kill us, they'd shoot us, they'd cut us up, they would hang us, keeping us from voting, but the blood that was shed so that you could vote.
Amen.
I don't care who they put in office, I'm going to vote.
That's right.
Amen.
I'm vote because somebody died so that I could vote. And that somebody just happened to be probably one of my family members from the old country, as they call it. So I just wanted to remind you all today that I'm not a racist.
Amen. That's all right.
I'm not bigoted.
Amen.
I'm a man of God who believes that God is able to do anything but fail.
Yes.
And He's shown that more ways than one, but I just want to remind you all from which we came.
Thank you.
And when I listen to this particular song, I can't sing it,
Go ahead, brother.
but I got to repeat it. God of our weary years, God of our silent tears,
Yes.
Thou who hast brought us thus far on the way.
Yeah.
Thou who hast by thy might led us into the light. Keep us forever in the path we pray.
Yes, God.
Lest our feet stray from the places, our God, where we met thee. Lest our heart, drunk with the wine of the world, we forget thee.
Amen.
Shatter, shatter, shatter beneath our hands. May we forever stand true to our God,
Yes.
true to our native land.
Yes.
I know some of you don't know anything about Africa.
American native man. That's right.
I know you don't.
Amen.
And I know you were born in America, but everyone in this room probably, except for Bert's family and Jackie's and some others, but 90% are born Americans.
Amen.
But there's a place on the other side of the ocean where your great, 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 great grandparents came from.
Amen.
That's our native land.
That's
Oh,
right.
yes.
That's our native land.
Amen.
That's Bertha's native land,
Amen.
Jackie's native land, and any other country where there are black people.
Thank you. Amen.
Their original home is Africa.
Because Africa, that's right.
Will always be Africa.
That's right.
Because God laid it out for us.
Amen.
That's where God placed us.
Amen.
That's where God placed us. One of the